Hey yo, how are you guys? I missed you. Stuff happened with Wi-Fi and I couldn't upload or do anything, so I had to wait a day and freaking IKON debuted finally, have debuted, and I'm just like, let them debut! But anyways, they're out and I don't know which one to watch. It's Airplane and Rhythm TA. Rhythm Ta? What do I know? I remember watching my type and I'm just like, oh my god, their hair is so beautiful. I'm so just what to do. I'm trying to watch both together and I guess put them in the same video. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. I'm gonna guess we're gonna try with Airplane. Yeah. Okay, Airplane it is. Ooh, snap. Okay, started. Oh. Please don't make me cry. Please don't make me cry. 잠깐 멈춰봐. 이대로 가면 우린 다시 못 봐. 비행기 떠나면 난 잘 지낼게. 넌 꼭 잘 지내야 돼라고 말하고 가면 잘 지낼 수 있겠냐 너라면 애써 태어난 척하지만 넌 눈물 부었어. It's so sad. Guys, I don't know how to feel. Just 26 seconds. Okay, moving on. 세상 잃어버린 듯한 슬픔이 보였어. 하루만 더 있다가 지금 불고 있다가 영화나 보러 가잖아. 울고 있잖아. It's a nice white shirt. I mean jacket. Oh, the voice. Oh. Bobby, no, go away. Please hit him. I can't. You're Mr. Airplane? Aww. Can we just talk about Jinhwan's beautiful hair? I want it, please. Oh my god. No. Girl, you have to choose one of them or none of them, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Your blonde hair. Oh. Bobby, he's rapping. He looks so cute in the pink sweater. 평생 그리워질 그대의 존재 그냥 내 품에서도 깊은 잠에 들어 I don't want to see you, Bobby. Just leave. 너게 마지막이라니까 또 눈물나잖아. They're in the setting of airplanes? Nice. Why she's all like, I have all that money. Don't serve me like that. Bye. You're shaking your butt like that. I don't wanna, I do want you, but I don't want you. Do you know? So cute. Oh, please! I will love you! Oh. Is it over? Oh. I have like 1 minute left. Okay, come on. No, I can't. Oh. No. So cute. Jinhwan, you need to go. What did the clock ever do? I should have paid attention. Is she leaving? Who's leaving? She's leaving, but like, what? Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I mean, technically she's with two of them. I couldn't decide either. I'm in your position. I couldn't. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. That was IKON. Welcome back. Welcome back. You're such a liar. It's actually like finally. Hello. We waited for you for so long. I don't know. That was so cute. No, I exited out of YouTube. Come back. Come back. Oh my god. I didn't expect it to be like kind of sad, but at the same time I'm like, oh no. Okay, I guess I'm gonna try and put in both of those videos together. Yeah, if YouTube would work. My Wi-Fi has been very slow, so I'm still waiting. I don't know if you guys notice I have a new background. It's a little BTS towel, the hip-hop monster, and then yeah, I'm gonna have another vlog soon. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna start vlogging about like all sorts of things. I'm also gonna attend the Dallas Comic Con, so okay, it pulled up. Okay, let me guess, Rhythm TA. It's going to be freaking awesome and hip-hop and dancing IKON and dancing. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm ready for that. Oh my god. Okay, 4 minutes long. Okay, I'm gonna press start. Rhythm TA. Rhythm TA. Are they working? Oh no! Ah! I can't! No! I'm gonna cry. Oh no! I paused in a weird place too. Freaking. Oh no! Okay. 16 seconds. Alright. I was already, the beat was dropped too soon. I wasn't ready for that. Okay, I'm calm. We can do this. Hey! Oh my god, no! Rhythm ta. Okay. Oh! Bobby! For God's sake, please wear a shirt. You can't be running around with no shirt. No, we can't have that. I want to stop this video, B. I know. Oh my God. This is the IKON I've been waiting for. This is the IKON we've all been waiting for. Bye, Jinhan. No, no. Oh my God, no. Oh, that noise. Oh. Chansu. Bye. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, no. It's so cute. Bobby's voice. Oh, I want to stop the video so bad. That dog was so cute. But what did they do to BI's hair? Oh my God. Two dogs. Dick, wear a shirt, please. Oh my God, no. I don't want to see you. Go away, Bobby. Bobby, go away! Go away! I'm not gonna come and get. Oh my God! I don't want to scream. Oh, that's so cute. I am in love with the song already. Oh God, it's so great. It's 1 million and almost 500,000. That dog is adorable. I want it. I don't want you, B.I. I don't want you, Bobby. I don't want you. No. Wear a shirt. Mwah. You're gonna get it poppin'. gonna blast it in my car. Your voice! Your voice! Oh! Basketball, yes. Hey! Nice! Oh my god, I love this song so much! I got it, I got it. Oh my god. Okay, 10 more seconds. They're so cute, they're a little basketball team. I got it now. So, that would explain like them in the, not break room, but like all that stuff. Oh my god! I think I need to take a shower now. My face is heated. Like, I can feel the heat in my face. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the IKON we've waited for. And the dancing wasn't like so much phenomenal. Like, it was beautiful and like catchy and perfect, but it wasn't like, I feel like they're gonna have another song that's just gonna like express like all of their dancing, and I'm gonna be like, you don't, no, that's not okay. Oh my god, IKON, I'm so happy for them. They're finally out, and they're gonna kill it. They're probably killing it right now. I just, okay. Oh my god, this is almost 12 minutes long. Well, I'm gonna stop right here so it won't be too long. Thank you guys. Please leave a like and a comment if you did like this video, and do subscribe to see more. Alright, bye.